Hi guys, so for today's tutorial, I'm going to be demonstrating how I got this look right here. It's a super pretty blue glittery look that I think you all would enjoy, and I hope to give you guys maybe a little bit more confidence in playing with color. So if you want to see how I got that, stay tuned. So for this look, you're going to be needing different types of blues, different tones. I will be going in with the Norvina Collection Vol.2, and I will also be going in with the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette for the eyeshadow topper. So let me get you up a little bit closer and we'll get started. So I'm going to start by going in with C3 from the Norvina palette with a bullet pencil. And we're going to start by slowly stamping on the outer part of our eye. Stamping on the color, making sure it's nice and concentrated. And kind of dragging it up over here like a little wing. And then we're going to start bringing it inward to create this V-like shape. Once you have like a little outline of how the V shape is, you're going to go in with C3 again and you're going to pack on the color mainly on the outer corner. You don't really want to pack it on over here on the top. Just packing it on right here. After you have these kind of like densely packed wing-like shapes, you're going to take the bullet pencil with barely any product and you're going to kind of swipe like this on top of your crease, just furthering the shape. Now that you have that done, you're going to take B2, which is a lighter blue shade, and you're going to use that to blend C3 out. Just going along the shape of your eye that you've already created and softening the edges, bringing it upwards. Now we're going to be taking the shade B4 and we're just going to lightly just swipe the color across our lid, not really building it up. This is going to serve as a base for the glitter we'll put in a bit. Now that you have the base color set, I'm going to take the light blue sparkly glitter topper from the Galaxy palette, Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to tap that all over my lid. So pretty. And now I'll be taking the silver glitter topper from the Fenty Beauty palette and just putting it on my inner corner. So now that the glitter's all done, I will now be going with D5 from the Norvina palette on the same bullet brush and putting it on the outer corner of my eye. While doing the outer corner, I'm still angling the placement of it upward to match the eyeshadow. Now for the bottom lash line, I will be going in with C3 on a small little brush and running that ever so tightly on my bottom lash line, connecting it to the top. Following it up with D5 on the lower lash line to deepen it up. Now going in with D1 to add some blue tone sparkle. Now I'm going to quickly tightline my eyes. So here's the close-up of the finished look, guys. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope I was able to properly guide you through this tutorial. If you have any questions about this look or working with color in general, go ahead and comment down below or send me a message. I'll be more than willing to help you out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this look. Give it a like and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!